Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to insert the SIM card in the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. The SIM tray is on the top of the phone, and to open it, you need a SIM tray eject tool. You will find the SIM eject tool inside the box. Insert the SIM eject tool into the hole and press gently. The phone can be used with one SIM or dual SIM with two SIMs. If using with a SIM, put the SIM card with the gold contacts facing up in slot 1. If using with two SIM cards, put the second card with the gold contacts facing up in slot 2. Now we put the SIM tray back in the phone. Make sure the tray is in the same position as when you removed it. It only fits one way, and it should go in easily. Never force the tray back in. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day.